Hello guys, welcome back to Flourish Academy. In this video, we're going to be looking at the solution to this week coding drill with Flourish Academy using Python. So the question says, write a Python program that accepts a day name from the user in the variable, then show the name of the following day. Alright, so we're going to be using Python for this. In the previous video, we used Scratch to solve this problem, and I want to show you how to use Python to solve the same problem. Alright, so I'm going to be using my notebook extension in VS Code. Alright, if you have any challenge in installing notebook in your VS Code, please drop in the comment section so that we can help you out doing that. Okay. Alright, so let's get into it. So I'm going to open a different editor in my VS Code, and now that's the Jupyter support editor, and this is where I'm going to be writing the code. Alright, so we're going to be using almost the same approach to what we did in Scratch. The first thing is to declare a variable, so I'm going to say day, or current day, and I'm going to be asking the user to input. So now input, and then this one, it's going to be enter current day. And then after entering the current day, then we're going to check if current day, so this is just going to be straightforward, if current day. Now, we want to check, just like we did in the Scratch video, we want to check for lowercase and uppercase. So we're going to check if current day is equals to Monday. We're going to use it because it's Monday, or so we're going to be using the or notation, or current day is equals to Monday. But the thing is, you can actually use, I'm using the Python, I'm using the JavaScript notation for that. So if, and then you use to indent, and then you say what, print the following day is Tuesday, and that's the syntax of the code. So the next thing you're just going to do is just to use an if-else statement saying what, elif current day. Just copy and paste the same condition without wasting too much time. Copy and paste the same condition, but just change the values. Copy, paste, and put your colon, and this time around you're going to change this one to Tuesday. Let's capital it to Tuesday, and almost the same thing you're going to be repeating for the remaining. Yeah, so copy and paste. Remember, the focus is to use if-else statement. Wednesday. So I'll just copy and paste this because it's almost the same method for the remaining one. So I'm just copy, and I'm just going to be pasting right now. Paste, paste. Now I'm just going to change the days. Now that's Tuesday, it's going to be Wednesday, and this will be capital letter Wednesday, and the output is going to be Thursday. Alright, and you're just going to repeat the same step till you get, so feel free to increase the speed. Yeah, Thursday, and this will be Friday, and this will be Friday, and this will also be Friday, and this will be Saturday, and this will be Saturday, and this will be Sunday, and then Sunday, this will be Monday. Now the last one would be else. Else. So now else, you're going to print, sorry, check your input. Sorry, check your input to be sure the data is valid. All right, and that would end the conditional statement. So let's run it and see how it works. Yeah, so we're running it. Alright, so let's run our code again to see what we have done. So this is the code, we've rightly written the code, so let's run it. So now it's asking enter current day. So when I type in Monday and I press enter, you can see sorry, check your input to be sure the data is valid. So right now it's not actually seeing my Monday. So now let me check it again to see what's going on right there. So I'm gonna run it again. Let me type in Monday, and then it says what? The following day is Tuesday. Can you see that? So let's check it again. I'm gonna type in the capital letter Monday and press enter. You see the following day is Tuesday. Well, now let me see if I want to. Let me run another. Let me say Saturday. Just be sure that you see the following day is Sunday. So this is exactly how to solve the problem using Python. But I'm very sure that there's another way of doing that using list.